In the sense, what is injury? The first thing that we come to know is getting hurt. In the sense, किसी ने मारा, somebody hit me, or you got hurt. Okay? But injury is in all planes. It's not only physical, it can be mental. The whole idea is, how does the person perceive the situation? Right? That day I showed you a case of a very obvious thing. She fell on a road, she broke her patella, it was fractured, then it was plastered, and then she was not able to move, and the perception of her injury was as if something hit her. Okay, though she was telling her a deeper perception of the same injury, her actual perception was the same what she obviously had on the road. She fell down and she got hurt, isn't it? As it is, we would have given arnica because it was a case of blunt trauma, right? But anybody who perceives injury by anything as if being hurt is injury, or as if being burnt or scalded is injury. I'll give you verbatims for this. In a sense, there are so many patients. For example, how they will perceive the situation is something what is more important rather than what you see as what he is having. For example, a person who says he is vitiligo. Vitiligo. Tell me about this. I feel that I am secluded out. Okay? Secluded out is left out. In a sense, if I go in 10 people, I feel that I am not a part of this. Now, when anybody says this, it is very obvious and natural for a person with vitiligo to feel being left out. Clear? Yeah. But how that person perceives this situation? How will he perceive when he goes and experiences that situation itself? So tell me about that thing. When did you feel left out? There was a situation when I went for a party and all were talking, and suddenly I felt that people are not looking at me. So how does it feel? They look at me with a very scorned eyes. They're like, what is he doing? How is she? Or they scan me through. So how does that thing feel to you? As if somebody is hitting me. You understand? So her perception of somebody seeing her is also as if hitting. So tell me, how does it feel to you when you are hit? And then it should go into shock. Do you understand? So the situation is not of being hit, but somebody seeing her also can make you feel as if being injured. That is the injury. Then you go to her dreams or go to any subconscious areas, and in that subconscious area also she finds that there is some kind of trauma which is as if being injured, resulting into shock. That is injury of compositive family. So now imagine injury as a very broad thing. There are people who have not said injury at all. After that situation, I felt burning in my body. I feel as if scalded, as if hot boiling water was poured on my body. That is what I feel when I go to that situation. That is injury. So how do you experience at a moment when the hot water is poured on you? Shock, numb, couldn't react. You understand? That is also injury. That is what you have to always see. Look beyond the situation to go to the experience. Am I reaching you? Every patient has an situation. There is not a single person who doesn't have a situation. If he says it, he lies. That much is the confirmatory test of this system. If somebody says, I don't have a situation in my life, there is nothing that has happened which is traumatic or sad or disappointing, no problem. Tell me any situation that you will get affected by. And he has to have one, because he is staying here with us. Otherwise he wouldn't have been with us. So at that situation, how does he perceive the situation? Verbally, nobody wants to tell. Okay? But you ask them, how do you experience the situation? There you have to find this sensation. Okay? Now let's go ahead. Then I'll show you different cases. That day I showed you, I'll show you different short cases of how that person has perceived injury, so that when you go to your cases, don't mimic them. Try to understand how a person perceives it. Clear? Reaching? Completely? Sure? These are the commonest remedies, na? Abrotanum, arnica, bellispur, calendula, chamomilla, cinna, echinacea, millefolium. All are injury remedies, but we give them on physical indications. If there is a cut, you give calendula, and if you see a chamomilla child hitting, you give chamomilla. You give on physical perceptions. You mean to say, if there is an adult, you will not find chamomilla? Hardly find an adult doing a tantrum the way chamomilla does, isn't it? But there are ways, isn't it? So the reaction, how he copes up with that situation. This is the most important thing. You all feel miasms is the most difficult part of it? Say yes. Good. No, this was a problem to us also. Very simple thing about miasm. Though whatever has been taught to you,